Boxing Day. Wala makakapigil sa amin sa paglabas. Pero ang pupuntahan naman namin is hindi crowded. So, okay lang. Hindi kami lumalabag sa kung ano man ang pinagbabawal dito sa bansa ng Inglaterra. So, nananaba na kami. Panay kain. Ang nasa likod namin is si Ate Jo. Hello. Tapos si Amelia.
Hi!
Si Mary Jane.
Hi!
Alright, so we'll show you the place later. Nahihilo ako, so hindi pwedeng mag-vlog dito sa sasakyan. Ay, hindi ko naisali si Angel. Angel! Angel! Yan yung doggy-doggy namin. Yan. Finally, nakarating na po kami dito sa aming destinasyon. At nandito po kami sa Beacon Hill. Beacon Hill daw. So that's Ate Jo. Over there, si Paul, tsaka si Ate Marjorie. Very relaxing lang, maginaw na maginaw. Pero at least nakaka-relax na lang. Kami. Tara na, maglakad na tayo. Punta na tayo. Hindi, doon muna. What fish do we have here? Is it trout? Yeah. Alright, enjoy fishing. Ginaw. We're going up on the hill with these ladies, with our cutie little angel. Ito yung unang one down dito. May mga isda, trout. Hindi ko alam yung isa, hindi ko naintindihan yung sinabi ng lalaki. Ngayon naakyat na kami, pupunta kami doon sa woods. Through the woods down. Daming tao. Malapit lang sa London, just outside Croydon. May red bus pa may London bus pa, pero napakalapit lang from London. Pero ang dami pa ng tao, my gosh. Punta na kami sa nature, sabi namin, hanap-hanap ng fresh air, kaso ang dami pa ng tao at wala kaming mask. Oh, ito si hello daddy. Thank you for taking us to your call. It's a pretend one. Yeah, I know. It's so cold. Pero tingnan mo, nandito pa rin kami. So, papasok na kami dun sa sa woods. We'll take you there, guys. Alright. Bye! Amelia, bakit gusto mo mag-ganon?
Ito siya.
This ka? This one? Ah, this one? Hindi niya na mahila si Angel, yung aso niya. That's the dog. Merry Christmas, everyone. We're very happy for this trip. Ang layo-layo ng binahe namin. Did you feel it? You didn't feel it? Alright. Dito yung tumama. Nag-fly ako! Nag-fly ako din ng... Oh, natapa ako. With that one. Tapos pati to.
Kasi akala niya aalis yung woods. Kaya nagkahabol siya.
Hinabol ko si Pamilya. Ganun na naman ang ginawa ko. Nakakainis. Ay, nakakainis. Anong itsura ko at Pamilya kaninang? As in, natapa talaga ako. Nakakainis. Yan, hindi na ako magiging excited. Lagi na lang nangyayari yung pagpupunta sa woods. Oh. Nakakainis. Pero maglalakad na kami. Dahan-dahan na. Kasi may aksidente na ang lola niyo. But I will be very careful. Alright, bye! Umuulan na po dito. This is the second time na nagka-aksidente ako sa woods. Nakakainis. Instead of her helping me, you know what she was doing? Yeah. That's really bad of you, MJ. I did. Was it you? Thank you so much because I couldn't stand up. I couldn't get my balance. Yan yung mga mamili. Ate Jo, nasan ka nung may pangyayari? Nag-fly talaga ako. Sayang. Apo, suki-sukin miti kwan. Kabakiranan. Maghanap kami po ng mushroom. Kaya. Ayun yung dalawa doon. Actually do some fishing here. Kaso wala kaming gamit pang fish. Oh, wow. What fish is that? Oh, okay. All right.
Yeah, so paakyat na kami. Amelia!
So, talagang packet na sa woods. Kaya, medyo masakit yan, no? Tumama sa bato. Wala akong mahuli. Nung ako'y nag-fly. Wala pa kami ng eh. Natay pa dito mag Alright.
Sure about the video, hang on. Oh yeah, video. And this is my palanga on holiday.
What? Ha?
You lot of my caregivers. Yeah.
Ano sabi ni Paul? Tumahimik ka, Ate Jane. Mayroon ka na namang kinukwento dyan. Putik na yan. Putik dyan. Putik din dyan. Putik din sa bag.
Papasok pa kami sa woods. Doon talaga. Hindi namin alam kung meron doon. So, what's in this trail called? What are we gonna see there?
Just the woods
Just the woods.
and some trails
Fine.
and lots of squirrels.
You might see, yeah, we might see squirrels there and some crazy people.
And people walking the dog.
And one of them is Paul.
Yeah, we might see a lady flying.
Saan ka na naman pupunta, Christina? Umiihi na naman siya. Christina, anong ginagawa mo dyan? Ayan si Christina, oh. Si Christina eh parang sa aso na rin niya. Na kung saan abutin, doon din siya iihi. Nagkakalat ka sa nature. Fertilizer.
Fertilizer yun. Cold compress or hot compress na lang. Yeah, I'm complaining about my height.
No, you went down with the front with front.
Wala nakapag-isip na i-video ako kanina nung nag-dive ako. Wala na kasi nag-forest.
Who knows that you will fly?
Mama lang naman ang tuhod ko sa bato. Diba? Pero very happy kami na nakalabas talaga. Fresh air. Although it's so cold. But we're happy. Thank you so much, Paul, for taking us here. I hope there'll be next time. Some of the beautiful places outskirts of London. Yeah. Next time I'll be very, very careful. This is the second time we've been to the woods. Well, actually, this is the second time. Well, that's part of it. The lesson is like you fall, tumble, and then
Get up.
get up.
That's a bad couple.
And get up and then wave. Yes.
No, you didn't get up on mine. No. Oh!
He was the one who lifted me up because they couldn't afford to lift me up.
Oh, wait. Oh,
That's for old people.
that was you.
I'm not old.
Yes, it was. Oh,
I'm not old.
oh. Wet, wet. I need to smoke.
All right.